Episode today from Tenwek. Tenwek Hospital has launched its inaugural half marathon and a 3 kilometers fun race with proceedings going into the offset bills of patients with heart complications. This Tenwek half marathon is slated for the September 7th in Bomet County, and organizers are pleading for the partners to inject the much needed financial muscles to the athletes who are participating this way. They will, in one way or the other, offset the bills for patients in hospitals to get them back home to their families.
They try to help these poor patients, but unfortunately it still doesn't meet the treatment costs. So what we've done is to come up with an idea of raising funds for these needy patients. And so we've organized for a half marathon run. This is our inaugural run actually this year. The intention is to do the same every other year. And basically we call it Hearts in Motion. And we are targeting mainly the cardiac patients, but it will also extend to the other patients who need our services. So we would like to do the run and to fundraise. We have organized it to happen on the Saturday, the 7th of September, 2024. That's 2 weeks from now. So we will be having this half marathon. And the reason why we've actually chosen this is because every year, from statistics, 10,000 people are diagnosed of cardiac conditions that need interventions. So out of that, about 50% of them are children below 13 years. Now, that we have about 1,000 of those patients in the queue for Tenwek. Unfortunately, we lose quite a number of them. While they're waiting, they're looking for resources to be able to be assisted. Every year we do, across the country, we do about 500 surgeries. Tenwek does over 50%. Last year we did about 260 cases. So it's a big thing for us. We've reached out to the corporates. They are really helping us. We've also, quite a number of them have also registered in our portal. We have a portal, a registration portal. You register with 1,200 and you get a registration number, and then you get a t-shirt, and then you come and prepare. We are really set. Personally, I'm set to do the run. We are reaching out to the national government. In fact, the Ministry of Health is coming through in a big way, and also the county government. They are really helping us to walk this journey together. They will participate. We've actually approached them to participate and help us towards this cause, and it's been received well. I must say they've really been very, very receptive and very helpful. We're looking at over 1,000. 1,000 at least to really come and experience Bomet, experience Tenwek through this run. So far, there is good registration. We are actually trying to ramp up the publicity towards this, and I'm really grateful to KTN for even this opportunity. So the interest is, there's a lot of excitement and interest that has been created amongst the public, amongst the schools, and they have already registered. And it has taken off well. There is that excitement. Of course, this being the first one, I believe there'll be a lot of lessons to pick, and that we will apply even in the subsequent ones.
And I know the impact and the benefits. When I saw this hospital coming up, we really thank God for it, because I know it will have a lot of impact in assisting our people, the people who are surrounding, and the entire Kenya. And people will not again be going to India with all those air flight expenses and everything. So much appreciation. So I feel great. I feel proud. Even as we come in as Athletics Kenya, we come in with a bit of, we come in energized, a bit more energized in this one, because it's a special event. We will have a 3-kilometer fun run, which incorporates the corporates who will register. They will run 3 kilometers. And then number 2, we'll have 2 categories, men and women, the 21-kilometer men and women, which will, we expect a lot of participants. As the CEO has said, we expect over 1,000 participants. We hope so. And now coming to the route is ready. But it's a very tough route. The elevations are very tough. You have got descents and you have got ascents and all that to a tune of 2,300 feet above sea level. So it's a very tough route with deep and climbing up. And I would like to appeal to corporates. I would like to appeal. We have a lot of tea factories in Bomet.
Yes.
The tea that you take, Hassan. We would like to appeal that they come in handy to assist in this kitty. We need, Tenwek Hospital has a target of about 100 million, first of all, to start with. So to get there, we need assistance because this is a worthwhile cause. First of all, it will empower the community financially in terms of them selling their produce to the hotels. And the hotels which are there also will get customers who will sleep and leave money in Bomet. That's number one. Number two is that it's an opening. It's an opening window for new athletes who want wale wanataka kuchipuka.
It's more of a blank check.
Yes, kabisa, a blank check to them because we are calling them and we are going to pay them. And the payment is very good, very attractive, from number 1 to number 15. And number 1 is 500,000. Half a million, Hassan.
Well, from